Hello again and welcome back to our course on Project 2019. In this section I'm going to set you exercise 5, and in exercise 5 you're going to add some costs to the bathroom refit project. We've already put in a couple of costs related to floor tiles and to the electrician's time, and what I want you to do in exercise 5 is first of all to put in an hourly rate and an hourly overtime rate for contractors and the plumber. For the contractors, the hourly rate is $22 and an overtime rate of $33. And for the plumber, the hourly rate is $25 with an overtime rate of $35. Now, in addition to that, I'd also like you to put in the cost of the tiles. So that's the wall tiles and not the floor tiles. They cost $34 per square meter, and we need 18 square meters. So when we select and order the tiles, we need to pay for 18 square meters. And for the tiles, there is a delivery charge of $12, and that's a one-off delivery charge. For the paint, we need 8 litres of paint, and it costs $7 per litre, and there's no delivery charge on that. And for both of those material costs, the costs accrue at the start of their respective tasks. So starting from 05A, I'd like you to add those costs. And my answer to that is in exercise 05B. That's it for this section. I will see you in the next one.